What's up guys? We're in the hotel room. I'm gonna give you a quick hotel tour. Welcome to my hotel room. It's Hotel Cheyenne. So we have this little like area here. Chambre occupée. Room occupied and sleepy. How cute. And then we got coat hangers. I'm gonna hang all my stuff up. Nice shelves. And a safe to put stuff in. And then more coat hangers. And a little desk, which I'm probably gonna put all my makeup on. Here, sorry. You can see. And then we got the bathroom. Now I think I have a disabled room. Because I have toilet with a slide on, which is probably good. Hairdryer, sink, and Mickey shampoos. So shampoo gel and more shampoo and and Mickey soap. So they're gonna go in the bag, and hopefully we'll get more if house thing. Oh shit! If house thing comes. Now I presume this is because it's a disabled room, but there is cute. And this is my shower. I am gonna make a mess. And it has a seat. My shower has a seat. Great, but then you come back out and you got the room. So I got a bed and some more desks and some drawers and a chair and my lamp, which I really want. Look at this lamp. This lamp is so cool. And look, wood is round up. Come on, it's time to play. And my mirror. Oh my god, look, I really love that mirror. Mirror is pretty sweet, and I really like the bench. And look at the wallpaper. It's all Toy Story themed. Which is great. And look at this. Does this come off by any chance? Oh, I like it. I have no room for thinking. And then I've got Jessie up here, and Woody and Bonsai, and a Woody on my lamps. And I have my bed. And look at this throw. This throw is gorgeous. And my stuff and my stickers need to unpack. But if I do this here, look, I'm in someone else's room. Hello! They gave us adjoining rooms, didn't they? Sorry, Har, you're like unpacking, and I'm here just filming you unpacking. But I like their room better because they got this beddy thing. And I think it's really cute, and I really wanted one.
Do you like carpet?
I have the same picture.
Yeah.
Hello? But yeah, that's their room. And I'll just have a look at the view. And this is my view of the car park. But it's okay because I'm not really going to be in here. Like, seriously, I've come home. I've come to unpack. Oh my god, those curtains. Woody. I've come home. I'm going to call it home. I've come back to unpack. I'm obsessed with this lamp. Well, I noticed it's gone. I'm not like that, I promise. I'm not like that at all. Yeah, so that's pretty much my room, and I have aircon and it's making a noise. And there's a fan. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know. I don't know if that works. But yeah, this is my room. And it's pretty cool. And I love it. I generally love it. But anyway. Now I have to unpack because I want to get, like, I just want to tie my hair up and get a bit of, like, another jumper on some freezing and a few other things because we're going to go back to Disney Village, which I keep calling Disney Springs. We're going to go to Disney Village, we're going to have some dinner, and then hopefully we'll see the fireworks. So, love it.